A stylish appliance that offers superlative performance. Presenting Godrej Edge Uno refrigerators that come in 185, 195 and 215-liter capacity with a premium aesthetic finish that adds sophistication to your kitchen. In case of a power cut, the refrigerator's cool lock technology will keep your food cool throughout. An aesthetic armor door design of this refrigerator adds to the beauty of your kitchen. Store more with the largest shelf spaces with Godrej Uno refrigerators. The freezer section comes with a large storage space. This lets you store your favorite frozen foods and also lets you make quick ice cubes in no time. The toughened glass shelves are durable and strong and can hold heavy pots, pans, and utensils. Its advanced inverter technology uses a variable speed compressor. This adjusts its operations intelligently, resulting in greater efficiency, durability, and silent operation. This refrigerator comes with a 1-year warranty on the product and 10 years warranty on the compressor.